Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Prema token. Ticker symbol is Prmx. This token is just about to be listed on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this video here. So the Prema token is about to be listed November 17th, 12 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, today's the 15th, so 2 days from now, at 12 o'clock UTC time, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. You'll be able to get it there. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc Global referral code in the description, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Prmx, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you would simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, besides that, check out all the other referral codes down there as well. If you want to find more information on this token, just head over to their Twitter, which is at Prema_English. Well, sorry, at Prema_EN, which is short for English. They have 21,800 Twitter followers, so they're doing very well. It says Prema is a platform that connects URLs and IRLs with NFTs. They have 53 tweets. They just joined in April, so it's a fairly new project, but like they're already taking off here with 21,800 Twitter followers. They're already listed on CoinMarketCap. You can also find their Medium and Telegram also listed on their Twitter as well. So according to CoinMarketCap, they're up 5.81% today, sitting at about 1.2 cents per token. Prmx.io/EN for English is their official webpage. Their Etherscan is available on CoinMarketCap if you want to check that out. It says they have 161 holders so far, 305 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 100 billion tokens. Besides that, if you head over to their official webpage, you can find tons of information over there, prmx.io. It says a gateway to the blockchain space. Embark on the road to blockchain. So what they have within their ecosystem here is they have their own wallet app. They have an exchange between users. It says secure, so safety features. They have an auction, which is a sales function. NFT as QR codes, NFTs as cards, NFTs as storage and management, and no gas fees required, it says. A secure gateway for exploring Web3 dApps. So what is Prema? Prema is a blockchain platform that offers seamless multi-chain experiences, managing tokens across multiple blockchains, connecting to Web3 dApps, and using NFC accessories. And this has never been so simple, it says. So they for the multi-chain here, they have Polygon, Ethereum, BNB Chain, Phantom, Avalanche, Harmony, Huobi, Hiko, and Tomo Chain. 3 main features. It says opening NFT shops is surprisingly simple for anyone. So it says easy shop arrangement. Simply send us your domain and the images of the NFTs and expect them to be up on the shelf in as little as 2 weeks. It says easy shop management, intuitive and easy to understand tools. Adding an NFT is as easy as adding an image according to the template. And get support through our support program. Our helpful staff members will guide you through the process and help you reach your goal. Support is offered from beginning to end. Open shops, operate and manage them with our help. We will support you generously. Support is offered from beginning to end. Open shops, operate and manage them with our help. So it says, this happens after the inquiry. So step 1 is contact us with the form below for free. Step 2, our customer services representative will hear your plan with your NFTs. And step 3, Prema will propose effective methods to use Prmx according to your wishes. Then they have a contact form at the bottom of their webpage. They also have a white paper, it looks like, as well. So on there you can find all sorts of information. They have project overview, our achievements up to date, current initiatives, technology to be adapted in the Prema platform, the Prema wallet specifications, Prmx specifications, Prema token information, ecosystem, deflationary mechanism, token distribution, roadmap, and team section. So the Prema platform is centered on Prmx and NFT marketplaces and uses the Prema wallet and traceability system to connect NFTs with the places where they are used, such as URLs and such as the metaverse blockchain, games, and such as physical products and spaces. We will be the pioneer in connecting existing industries to Web3 with our proprietary technology-driven Prema platform, supporting existing industries around the world to enter Web3 industries and create a unified marketplace for Web3 like Apple's App Store, Apple Music, and Amazon Kindle Store. Now, their token here, it says 18 decimal places, fixed supply of 100 billion tokens. And besides that, it doesn't really have more information except their Etherscan on their token info on their white paper. Their token distribution basically is 45% ecosystem, 30% marketing, 15% accelerators, and 10% team. And yeah, then their roadmap is available on here as well, showing you exactly when they're going to come out with different, eventually they're going to have an RPG game, it says, a role-playing game. They're going to have their own Prema chain eventually. All sorts of cool stuff. Check it all out, prmx.io. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Prema? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace!